Hey, what is up you guys? It's your boy Jason and welcome back to MyGlamm. Today I'm going to show you guys how you could cover your beard patches and get a flawless beard. All you need is a good brown or a cooler tone black eyeshadow, and I'm gonna just very ever so lightly blend it into my natural beard and hairline wherever I have bald patches. I like to do downward strokes in the same way and form my hair would naturally grow, so that they all look super blended and even. I'm gonna do the same on the other side, just dipping into the lighter brown and the cooler black, dabbing the excess and just very lightly and gently brushing the product into all the gaps that I have. Now for my mustache, which is very blotchy and it's just the way it grows. And I just like to do hair strokes, pretty similar how would you do your eyebrows on the bottom, because why not? And on my chinny chin. So there you have it guys, a little brown and a little black can go a very long way, and if you've had bald patches on your beard, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to keep yourself updated for more such videos. And don't forget to download the MyGlamm app.